In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to record a webinar in Livestorm. Whether you're new to the software or looking to make sure you're using it to its full potential, this video will give you everything you need to know to get started fast and make your webinars stand out. Stick around because at the end, I'll also share how you can access an exclusive extended free trial of Livestorm. First off, let's talk about how easy it is to set up recording for your webinar. Livestorm makes this process incredibly simple, even for beginners. When you create your webinar, the software automatically gives you the option to record your session, which is great for those who need to make the content available on demand or repurpose it later. To begin, when you're in your Livestorm dashboard, go ahead and click the Create Event button. You can set up your event as a live session, automated webinar, or on demand, depending on your needs. When setting up the event, make sure to enable the record option under the event settings. You'll find this under the Recording tab. It's that easy. No need for extra plugins or third-party tools. Once you've enabled the recording, you can start your webinar as usual. During your session, Livestorm will automatically capture everything: your presentation slides, webcam feed, and screen share. If you're sharing your screen or showing a presentation, it will all be recorded in high quality, so you don't need to worry about missing any important details. If you're worried about the recording quality or what happens after the webinar is over, don't. Livestorm provides a great set of post-event tools. Once your session is done, the video will be saved in your Livestorm dashboard. You can easily access, download, or even trim it if needed. Plus, if you need to make any edits, Livestorm's built-in video editor is simple to use and doesn't require any third-party software. What's even better? You can set the recording to be automatically shared with attendees after the webinar ends, which is a huge time saver for follow-up. Livestorm provides a direct link to the recording, or you can embed it on your website for easy access. This is perfect for nurturing your audience or for offering a resource they can return to at any time. Now, here's a pro tip. If you're planning to use the recording for marketing purposes later, Livestorm's integrations with platforms like YouTube or Vimeo come in handy. This allows you to easily upload the recording to your preferred platform, making it easy to share your content across multiple channels. Remember, Livestorm also allows you to download the recording in multiple formats, giving you flexibility depending on your needs. Whether you need an MP4 file or a simple audio file, you can export it with just a few clicks. To wrap things up, setting up and recording your webinar in Livestorm is quick and straightforward. It's an essential tool for any digital marketer or business looking to create engaging, high-quality webinars without extra hassle. And before you go, don't forget to grab your exclusive, extended free trial of Livestorm. You can try out the full features at no cost. Just check the first link in the description for access. With these simple steps, you'll be able to record your next webinar like a pro. Thanks for watching.